Hello, today I'll be showing you how to trade on Exness using MT5. So this is my Exness app. If you want, you can use the app to trade, but I find it very slow and not as smooth as MT5, and it does not give you many options like to close trades at once, close only profitable trades, all those things. So this is my account. This is a real account. I'm currently in a trade right now. So the purpose of this video is not to use the app for trading, but rather is to show you how to trade on MT5. So if you don't know how to connect your Exness account to MT5, I've made a video about that. It will appear on your screen right now and you can go watch it. And here are the options that you have. This is your settings. From here you can get the information for connecting your Exness account to your MT5. So these are the login details that you will enter. Now let's go back to MT5. Metatrader5. This is my Metatrader5. I find it easier because you have options to easily close positions. So you can open, even if you can open up to 50 positions, you can all close them with a single click of a button. Unlike MT4, it doesn't have that option. So currently I've connected that my Exness account. You can see this is it. This is the same Exness account. It's connected and you can see the amount here. So I'm currently selling GBP USD. So if you want, there are options here. If this is your first time as a beginner, if you come over here, the top left hand corner is where you can manage your accounts. So here you can manage. This is the account that I am currently on. This one, if you want to switch, you can click on it. This is my Direct account, and then you enter login details. They are already there. Once you do it once, it saves it for you, and then you click on sign in. So you see, this is my Direct balance, my Direct account. So you can go back there again to change to another. I have a prop firm account with FTMO. You can come over and you click here to sign in, so you will also sign in. So let's go back to the Exness account where I was to show you more things. So if you come over to the codes, these are the symbols or the pair that you are trading. So GBP USD, Euro USD, if you want to add, depending on the one that your broker has, these are Forex pairs. So there's USD CHF. If you want to click on it, USD card, you click any one you want, you click. It's adding it already to your codes. If you don't have anyone, you can search such as GBP AUD. So if you search, you click on it, once you click, it will be added to your codes, and you can click this edit button to rearrange them. So if you want the GBP AUD to come just below Euro USD, you do that, you go back, and this is it. So if you want to delete any pair, you click on it, then you click on delete. If you don't want, you select it, then you will now click on this button for delete, and then your trade shows you your current positions. So this balance that you are seeing is the money you started with before entering the trade. Equity represents the money that you will get when you close the trade. If you are in profit, it turns to blue as you are seeing it like this. If you are in a loss, it will turn to red as you are seeing it like this. So if you observe, the equity keeps changing, but the balance does not change. That doesn't mean that you are not in a loss. What happens is that when you close this position, right now, the money you will get will be your equity, 6.8 it currently. You see it changes as you make profit, it increases, your equity increases. As you lose money, your equity will reduce. So these are the pairs. These numbers you are seeing, the first number here 1.26949 was the position, the price that I entered with, so is your entry price, and the second one represents the current price, so it's 1.2694, as you see changing. So you can click on this, it gives you your stop loss. So this my SL means stop loss, so 1.2714. TP means 1.2, like your take profit, the level at which you want to take, or the price at which you want to take your profit. So all this I will show you how to set that. Swap represents the charges that your broker will charge you if you hold your trade overnight. So like for Exness, if you are using the Pro, they don't charge you for the major pairs. Major pairs are the major currencies of the world, like British pounds, US dollar, and Japanese yen, and euro. So if you are holding euro versus US dollar, you are holding GBP versus US dollar, you are holding let's say USD versus JPY Japanese yen, you will not be charged any swap. But when you hold minor ones like AUD versus NZD, which is Australian dollars versus New Zealand dollars, you'll be charged as a commission. So it's a percentage of like a 0 point. So it's not that much, but the larger you are holding the positions, like you enter with one lot size, it will be high. So make sure before you open any position, a large position, make sure you are sure of what you are going to get if you will hold that trade for long. Because if you run at a loss, the swap can add to your loss, especially when you are trading a minor pair. Okay, so when you click on this option, click and hold it, it will bring out these options for you to close position. If you close now, you will have a profit of 0.11 currently, as you are seeing it here. If you click on modify, it gives you the options to change your stop loss. This one is your stop loss, and this one is your take profit. Okay, when you are done, like if I want my take profit to be 1, so I get this amount. When you are done, you click on modify and it is done. So you click on modify when you are done, and then if you see these 3 dots here, is one click options. You see, this is what is lacking in MT4 Metatrader5, because you can't have this option of close all positions, like, oh, I've mistakenly closed the position and I never wanted to. So when you come to history, it shows you the positions that you have opened, the history of your trade. So this one, I tried buying it in the morning. I later found out it was not a buy, so I had to close these positions, and then I entered for SL. Okay, so you can see now your profit is represented here minus this, which means it's a loss, and then any commission that is charged is, you will see it here. Okay, any profit will be in blue, that's under this. So if you want to come to your trade, you can see it here. Now, wanting to know a demo account on MT5 with most traders is this option. You will not see this option in a demo account, because this option is for withdrawal and deposit, and you can't withdraw money from a demo account. This is on MT5 alone. So if someone is using MT5 and he is telling you he has a live account, there is a real account, and you can't find this box like this, you can see when you click is the option that comes out is for deposit and withdraw. They won't have that. Okay, so I really don't want to get out of that trade. I have to re-enter. So you click on the option. If you come, you can click and hold. You see, I'll go back to chart. So this is it. So maybe I'll wait for it to retrace, then I'll go in for. So just for the purpose of this video, these options can bring up the one click button for you. This one you are seeing by the top right with blue and red segments. So if you are going in for a buy, you click this one by your right here. If you are going in for a sell, you click here. Now by clicking sell, it means you are predicting that price is going to continue going down, and when it's going down in your favor, it means you'll be making money. So it doesn't necessarily mean that when you see a red and the price is going down, it means that you are in a loss. No. Okay, so I will go in now for a sell. So this one is where you will enter your lot size. So I'm using a $10 account. I want to grow this account. So you can be going in with, I will talk about lot size in subsequent videos. So I'm going in with 0.01 lot size, which means for every 1 pip in my favor, I will make $0.1. So if it moves 100 pips in my favor, it means I will make $10. Okay, so I will click on this button. When you click, it takes you in using the market order, which means whatever price is selling at the market, you will be filled at that position, at that price. So when you come over to, let me enlarge this for you. You see the difference between this red and this green. If you enter, I entered for a sell, so it means this red line that you are seeing must pass this dotted line for me to be in profit, not the green. I know why I'm telling you this. It's not the green. If the green is above, you are still in a loss. The red above, you are still in a loss. But for you to be in profit, this red line that you are seeing, red and green, the red must pass this dotted line. This dotted line is the price at which you entered. Okay, so sometimes in the night, your broker may not have enough orders to fill, and most brokers, it's not just a single broker, they tend to widen the spread, which means the gap between this red line and this green. So it can come, the green can be here, green can be here, and the red will be somewhere here, and it will be so wide that even if you are in a profit, like you are, let's assume you enter for a sell here and price has moved down here, you are supposed to be in profit, but because of the wide spread, you will find out that it will give you a loss. And if your, let's say your stop loss is here and you entered in the night, because of the wide spread, it will take you out even though price never got to that point. So take note of this. Spread is something that you should know. That's why trading in the night, UTC plus 1 around 11, let's say 10:05 of Nigerian time, UTC plus 1 to 1 a.m. the gap between this and this, the spread will be increased by your broker. So take note of that, please. And then good, it's not good that you, so this, when you come to the trade, you see the position I entered, right? Very good. So I want to stop add my stop loss. You come to your chart. I'm expecting that price should not get above here. If price gets above here, it means I am what? I am wrong. That is what stop loss is all about. So I will look for this level. What level? Above here, 1.27086. So I will add it as my stop loss. So hold this, press and hold this. So come to the trade, press and hold this, modify 1.27086. That will be my stop loss. Click on modify. So that will, you can see the dotted lines are telling you this, where if price get to this, it will take you out. and you can see the money here is 1.46. I will lose 1.46 if price takes me out. And then my take profit will be, so let me see where I'll put my, so when you click, just click anywhere on the chart, this rounded button will come out. Let me check. So this H1 means hour 1, hour 4, so it means you want to see it hourly. This on 4 hourly, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. So I want to see H1, so this is it. So we want that if price gets to this place, this lower point, I know there will be some hesitation, right? So I'm anticipating price to reach this level, so I'll put 1.26475. so you click and hold 1.26475, click on modify, is done. So is if you click here now, it tells you I will make a profit of 4.6 if price goes in my favor and reaches this point, and then if it doesn't, it means I will lose 1.47. so that is that. What I do is I always click back this part, because sometimes you'll be seeing the chart and you may mistakenly click any of this button, and it's a one-click button, which means once you click it, it happens. Doesn't give you any option whether you actually confirm it or not. So I will click this to take it away so that I won't mistakenly click it. Okay, so that, I think these ones are just advert or notifications from, they are not relevant for your trading. Okay, so that's that about it. If you have any question regarding this, let me know. This is how to trade on Exness using your MT5. Other options, I don't really do analysis here. I do analysis with my laptop on TradingView, and then I take the trade here. Okay, it's faster for me. And then let's go back to the 15 minutes time frame so that I can see it. That's that. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and remember to subscribe for more. Thank you for viewing. Bye.